Namara Macklin, you can speak.
I would like to inquire. I would like to inquire because I did an update in January and this thing is really perturbing. I did an update in January. Until now, my ID is not yet out at the Kawempe NIRA office. So this thing is really perturbing and I really can't do anything. Job applications are pending and even these letters that we get from NIRA, like reference letters aren't working for us in some companies where we apply for.
Just for purposes of inquiry, what did you update?
I updated the whole thing because my passport photo, my profile photo on the ID was updated. I registered when I was still young in senior 2. That was in 2017, so I had to do an update because of I think the years they requested me to do an update because of the photo, something like that. So I did an update in January. They told me to wait after 2 months. That was in March, and they didn't give me any update.
Did you change your names?
No, I didn't change anything. It is just getting out the way it is. I didn't change anything.
Okay. Peter, maybe you could take and receive the application IDs for those particular persons who've highlighted their issues and follow them up.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, Idi. I think let's get at 2 more questions and we close. Baluku Bennett is saying, I've been working on a replacement since November 2024, but the NIRA offices have always said I wait. The NIRA website also says it is in process. Can one help me participate in the renewal? I think you need help on that.
Come for a renewal. Just renew.
Bennett, please go to NIRA offices for a renewal. Someone says in case one wishes to renew the card that is not expired yet for maybe purpose of getting an ID with advanced, is there such provision? Yes, the ID mentioned everyone can come in for renewal, though for now they're only targeting people whose IDs have expired, like that they're the first come first served. I hope that's right, Idi.
Even if they come last, because their cards have expired, we shall what is it called? We shall give them priority over those whose cards have expired.
Okay. This one says I registered my date of birth, but on coming I found they were wrong. Even the year of birth date that can be solved, I think.
I think it is clear. I think truth is a very important factor when it comes to correction of error. The faster you own your error, the easier it is to help.
Okay.
So if the error is ours, as we will own it and we'll money. If the error is yours, most of the time, maybe not you, but some other people have come and then they say it is NIRA error. They spend a back and forth on NIRA error. The form comes out, they are the ones who signed it. Then they have to go through the process.
Okay, thank you very much, Idi. For one last one, I would like for you to emphasize still on the people in diaspora, because I'm getting that question a lot.
For persons in diaspora, we shall start the process after June 30th, because we have very many people in country who need to renew their IDs, and it will not make sense for us to leave the country to go and renew or make preparations for those who are not in country when there are so many people at home who don't have IDs. So we are going to give first priority in country up to June 30th. After that, we shall give priority diaspora. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Madam Idi. Thank you very much, our listeners, being a very good audience and a patient audience at that. We cannot answer all your queries in one day, but we shall host the Idi again and give you much time to have all your queries answered. Idi, you can kindly give us your closing remarks and we call it an evening.
Thank you very much. Please renew your IDs, and please, those who've never registered, register. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone. It's been good having you all. We shall catch you in the next baraza. May God bless you.